So in this video, we're gonna go over temporary tattoo. Before you get a tattoo, you wanna make sure you're happy with it. So we're gonna be looking at different things to see what is gonna work. These are for half sleeves, so this will go basically on your forearm or the inside of your forearm, maybe on your leg. It's a lot of skulls and a lot of lions. A lot of religious, demonic type things. Then you get the small ones. The small ones, as you can see, this is the small one. They have some really nice designs that you can put on your kids as well. What's good, everybody? So I'm gonna begin some tattoos, and the very first thing I wanted to do is I wanted to see what it felt like having tattoos. So if you're one of those people who aren't sure, or if you just want to have fun and maybe go to the gym, maybe it's Halloween, maybe it's a party, and you want to confuse your family and friends, then get some of these. These are super inexpensive, and they come with tons and tons of tattoos. I didn't know that you're gonna get so many. So I'm just gonna go and break these down, and then we're gonna put some on. Now, they do claim that these last a couple of days, but then I guess it all depends on, what you're doing. If you're sweating, if you're on the hot sun, if you're going boating, you probably are gonna wanna be more careful if you're doing this. But I would say they'll last about 2 to 3 days, and they'll just peel off basically. So they have different types of designs and with different companies. Right, and the concept is pretty much the same. You just put it on your hand. They do say that if you want them to stick better, if you have hairy arms, you want to shave your arms. So for women, it will be easy. On the inside of the arms is going to be easy. If you put them on your leg, you probably want to shave it. I'm going to shave it because, again, I want to see what it's actually going to look like when I put a real tattoo on. But enough of that. Let's talk about the designs first. Feet. There's different ones. This is one of the sets. And these are for half sleeves, so this will go basically on your forearm or the inside of your forearm, maybe on your leg. It's a lot of skulls and a lot of lions, a lot of religious, demonic type things. But then you get the small ones. The small ones, as you can see, this is the small one. They have some really nice designs that you can put on your kids as well. I'm just gonna break these down for you, and then we're gonna put these on. Alright, definitely suggest, like I said, getting some of these if you're ever considering buying a tattoo or getting a tattoo, because it's there permanently and it costs more to remove it. So I would say invest, $50 into getting as many of these fake tattoos as you can, so you can be happy when you actually get the full result. So that's basically it. And we also, like I said, have 2 additional sets that we're going to outline, and then we're going to see which one we're going to try. Alright, so we're going to grab this one, and these are reversed. I'm going to put one from another sheet here. We're going to take this one. I like the way this one fades in, so we're going to put this one over here. See how we feel when it's blending in to the top, kind of wrapping around right here against where the sleeve goes. So again, take the film off first. First you take the film off. It's already sticky when you place it on. This is with hair, so we're gonna see if with hair it's better or worse. And we're kind of gonna do it on right here. This is the center. Can you grab a sponge and do it for me?
This one?
Yeah, just gently tap on it equally, and that's what releases it. All the way around. Do this for 30 seconds, and it should just start peeling. Okay, it's sticking in. Just keep going until it just basically releases all the way around. It should just start showing. See, it's already coming off. So we're gonna do one more because of this is 30 seconds. If you want better adhesion and not have it come off sooner, then I would say shave your hair wherever you put it. So let's see here. So now we're removing it. You see it, it's right here, it's kind of coming off. So we're gonna just tap it. My hair is definitely pulling it up. Yeah, definitely hair is pulling it up. But it looks sick. I guess from afar it's gonna look good. Oh yeah, it looks way badass when it's this way. And it's kind of like a watch. It looks really, really good. Like just the way that blends in. Yeah, It definitely looks badass. Oh, I'm really digging that one. Let's try this one. So again, film. And then just place this here. And then just grab water. And let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks badass. That definitely looks badass. Alright, so this is day 3 and this is what it looks like. I have definitely not been taking it easy on this. I've been taking 2 showers a day because I just came back from the gym. There's a little cracking here, but I don't think it's gotten any worse since yesterday really. This is more because of the hair. It's not peeling off at all. The one on my hand where there's no hair holds up pretty nice. I think it's going to stick around for another 2-3 days unless I really wanted to intentionally wash it off. So that's the update. What's going on? So this is day 5 of the tattoos and you can see that it's slowly but surely disappearing. Actually, I already got a compliment again today on this tattoo because this is the smallest and there's no hair on it. What's good, everybody? So this is 7 days after adding the tattoo. It's still kind of noticeable. This is the part where the hair is, so you can see that it stays on quite a lot. 2 showers a day. Still from a distance it looks like it's a tattoo. Kind of make out the shape, so definitely durable.